Let me explain you how to update images, how to get correct size images for your website and how to update it. Okay, so in this part I will just explain how you can build a correct size images for your website. Okay, so normally what you get from us, I mean developed by us, you will see the logo portion is here, sliders are here, there are few banners, these are the banners, and again these are the products. Okay, these are, and this is banner, again banner, and these are the few products, and again few banners. So and these are the small icon images. So basically you need to get all the images at your end, and you can use a software like a Photoshop, and you can draw your images there, and after that you can upload it from your admin panel. So for this logo, if I want to know what are the sizes, dimensions of this logo image, so right click on this image, open image in new tab, and you can see the image is mentioned on the browser. It's a 170 by 43 pixel size. Okay, so similarly you can also click on other images, like for these images I'm clicking here, but I'm not able to see that option. So click on the a corner, and you will see open image in new tab, and you can see that particular images. Okay, and might be in few cases, if you will click anywhere, you are not getting such option. In that case, simply click on inspect, and a new window will open, and in here you will see the image link. Okay, click here, open in new tab, and you can get this image, and you will see the image size is written again here. Okay, so by this way you can get the dimension, you can get the information about the dimension, in what dimension you need what kind of images. Okay, now I will show you how you can build this image from Photoshop. Let's take an example of product images. So I'm clicking over here, and this is the product page, and click here. So you get the pop-up, open image in new tab, and this is the basically catch image. This is catch image. So if I want to see the original image, delete this folder and delete this part. So this is your original image now. Okay, now we will make a product image having the dimension size 500 by 445 pixel. So go to the Google and put any product name here, like Dell laptop, and if you will click on image, so you will get all images. And if you think this image is any image, this image, let us suppose this image is for relevant to you, and you wanted to upload this images for any product, so click open link in new tab, and a new page will open, and you can see this image size having size 800 by 800, so it's bigger than what we required actually, and this is good. So always try to get an image from the Google having more size, larger size, so that if required we can reduce it from Photoshop. Okay, again click on this image and open image in a new tab, and you will see the actual image is here. Now either save it, and or otherwise you can also just copy image, or otherwise save it. So for the purpose already I have saved it, and I can show you. I have saved it. This is the sample image, 800 by 800, and right click on here and open with Adobe Adobe Photoshop. Okay, if you don't have this software, you can get a copy from your friend, and click here, and this Adobe Photoshop will open. So that image is open in Adobe Photoshop, and I will see in image size, I will see the image is 800 by 800, but my requirement is to create an image having size 500 by 500 by 450. If I am not wrong, let's check it again. Oh, 500 by 445. 445. Okay, click here. So a new window is open here. So this is the image size what actually we need, and this is the downloaded image. So from here pick this and bring into this one. Okay, and now Control T. So by Control T you will get this. Again click on Shift, and at the corner you will get this. So make it short, small, and make it fit into your own size window. Hit enter in your keyboard. Okay, now it's fitted to my size, and go to the file and save as JPG or PNG. Here is PNG, here is JPG. Normally use JPG for a small file size, and put the name like P for product 0001. Okay, and save it here. You can select maximum, high, medium, depend. Okay, and this image is having size, our required size 500 by 445. Okay, so this way you can get the image size, and I can show you. We have just built this image. This image is having 500 by 45 size, and this is the downloaded image that having the size 800 by 800. So in this way you can create all these images whatever required for your home page, and after that you can start uploading it.